こんにちは、トレイシです。This is your motivational study break with My Nihongo lessons. Each video walks you through the Marugoto Plus website and lets you demonstrate what you can do. Let's get started.
皆さん、こんにちは。Now let's go to marugotoweb.jp and see what you can do. Now you can recognize Japanese scripts. First, go to marugotoweb.jp and you will click the Enter button for the pink box. This one corresponds with the A1 level workbook that you're using. Okay, now we're going to choose our Topic 1, Lesson 1. If you scroll down, there's also going to be a section here that we're going to use. But for right now, let's go back up to the top. Click Topic 1, Lesson 1, Can Do 2. That will take you to this page where you're going to do an exercise about identifying which one is written in Japanese. Then scroll down and you will have another challenge where you're going to see several different ways of writing, and you'll be able to identify which one is written in Japanese scripts. Okay. Here you can choose how you want to see the subtitle of this video, if you want to see it in Japanese, or if you want to see it in Romaji or English. Of course, you can select not to see anything at all. Afterwards, I want you to come back to the front page, scroll to the bottom, and click Writing. There are some activities here that will help you recognize Japanese writing. And then you can come up here to the hiragana box and start practicing hiragana. So this is the hiragana page. Each one of these little speakers will have the sound for the hiragana. And you'll be able to click this one for some drills. And there are several mini quizzes where you will hear the audio and then you have to choose which one of these is the correct hiragana.
皆さん、よくできました。Join me on Patreon for new lessons every week, downloadable resources, and live study support. And a special thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. ありがとうございます。Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another Marugoto goal. And please share this with a friend, because studying a language is always better with a buddy. またね!